Here's a larger parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Larger in weight, but some of the pieces are smaller than what we've been showing of late. The rule's in millimetres, material's wetted, and as you can see, some of it's nice and bright. There's a few pieces of potch amongst it, but in general it's opal. Matter of fact, I'll just throw that bit out. I think there's nothing in it. Okay, I'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. Haven't moved any of the material so you can get a better look at what's in the parcel. As you can see, there's hundreds of little small pieces. I better start off with this big bit, I think. Camera's favouring the green, but there's also a broad flash of blue in it. There are a few bigger pieces amongst this. You can see there, that's actually the seam running through there. As I said, there's a couple of pieces, or a few pieces that aren't so good. It's not deliberate, it's just what's come out of the bucket at the end of the tumbling process. Cleaning it up. There's another piece that can just go out in the bin, I think. A lot of material here that it's smaller material, so you'll need to be patient to cut it, I think. That is mostly the smaller material that it's been priced on. It's only small, but extremely bright. Need a bit of patience, but I think you'll get a good return on it. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.